Good morning, folks. This is Naeem Aslam live from London. While I look at the Dow Jones Futures today, they are trading to the downside and they are trading lower by nearly 150 points. Now, this obviously comes after this massive rally that we have experienced in the stock market yesterday when the Dow Futures surged well over 1,500 points. Of course, towards the end of the day, the week closed with literally with 800 points, or in other words, we shaved nearly 800 points towards the close. So the market didn't close towards the highs of the days. In fact, as you can see in the chart, the S&P 500 futures indicate that the prices were very much close towards the open or perhaps towards the lows of yesterday. Now, of course, as the chart, as you can see on the chart, that the candle is showing very bearish price action, despite the fact that the Dow Jones and S&P futures surged enormously yesterday. Now, in my opinion, I think that the price action for the following days is going to be very much confined by the highs of yesterday and by the lows of the previous week. And as long as we don't break out of this particular zone, no further trend can really continue. However, keep in mind that Pfizer isn't only the company which is looking at the coronavirus vaccine. We have several other companies. So if this momentum is going to continue, which in my opinion very much likely it can, because we have seen that previously when coronavirus vaccine trials started with various different companies, we saw the Dow Jones index become going bananas at the time as well, and we saw these immense moves. So similar price action can really happen in the coming days as well, and that means that the S&P and the Dow Jones can see several of those sessions that we have experienced yesterday, meaning more higher moves. So any retracement currently, or any opportunity where you can buy towards the lows of last week, or perhaps any price level below the lows of yesterday, could be an important or interesting entry point. Now, in terms of a sector rotation, it is all about tourism and hospitality sector, because airlines, hotels, pubs, restaurants, their stocks have started to skyrocket once again. And we are seeing enormous amount of momentum in energy stocks as well, like BP, Chevron, Shell, because all of these companies performed immensely well based on the hopes that the coronavirus vaccine will bring that normality back to our lives, which we have been looking for a long time. Now, in terms of the commodity prices, yes, gold prices dropped well over $80 yesterday and went all the way to 1880. But as long as the price stays above the 1850 price level, I think this could be an opportunity, because the path of least resistance is still skewed to the upside. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.